Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for language exploration and vocabulary enhancement. Today, we're unraveling the word infatuation. So, what does infatuation mean in English? At its core, infatuation refers to an intense but short-lived passion or admiration for someone or something. According to various dictionaries, infatuation is often described as a powerful feeling of love or attraction that is not necessarily based on reason or true understanding. But what are some synonyms for infatuation? Let's explore a few to deepen our understanding. We have words like a passion, obsession, adoration, and a crush. Each of these words conveys a slightly different shade of meaning, enriching our vocabulary and allowing us to express ourselves more precisely. For instance, passion can imply a deeper, more enduring feeling, while a crush suggests a more fleeting and superficial attraction. Understanding these nuances helps us communicate more effectively. That wraps up our exploration of infatuation. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is key to expressing yourself more vividly and accurately. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive.